Hey, good morning. This is a video of how to activate QR codes inside the system. So this all comes for free inside the system and highly recommend using it because all of the data will be here. This is the main reason for using such a robust CRM system. And this is much more than just a CRM. So anyways, how you navigate the system, and just as a if you're watching this, you're probably brand new to my system, but on the left-hand side is the different areas within the software. So we're going to go down to Sites, and then once we're in Sites, Sites is everything to do about your funnels and your websites and all of a lot of the tools that would attach, forms, quizzes, surveys, your chat widget. So we also have QR codes. So we're going to click on QR codes. So as we click through here, it's going to give us different areas of the site. So I'm going to click on QR codes. We're going to create a QR code. So now you're going to put in the website link. So I am working on an auction right now. So I am going to get the link to this auction. And I'm going to bring it back in to, whoops, to what I was doing. And I'm going to click QR code and I'm going to give it a name, CBF Maple Leaf. And I'm going to also say that it's 2026. Super important. If you're going to be building out for years in advance, start labeling things really well. It's going to be helpful. So we are going to do it. It's a website link. And we're going to hit next. And now I'm going to put in the full UR code with the HTTPS recommendation. Go open it up in a browser, copy that, bring it over here. We are going to click next. Now we can make this any type of color that we want to do. You can make it fancy. You can do lots of different things. Right now, I am just showing this as a demo, and I have a meeting and a training that I am giving, so I have to go. But I hope this is super useful for you. I'm going to put this into our group.